Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Coinbase exchange account. First, navigate to the official Coinbase website or download their mobile application. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, typically found on the home page. You will then be prompted to enter your full legal name, a valid email address, and to create a secure password. Remember to review and accept the user agreement and privacy policy before moving forward. After submitting your initial details, you will receive an email from Coinbase. Open this email and click the verification link to confirm your address and activate your new account. Next, you'll need to provide your phone number to set up two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. You will also be asked for your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number to comply with regulatory requirements. To fully activate your account and enable trading, Coinbase requires identity verification. You will need to upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Following this, you'll be asked to take a live selfie to match your face with the ID. This process helps ensure the security of your account and complies with financial regulations. Verification usually takes just a few minutes. The final step is to link a payment method to your Coinbase account. You can choose to connect a bank account, a debit card, or even a PayPal account. Follow the secure on-screen prompts to link your preferred method. Bank transfers might take a few business days for funds to clear, while debit card purchases are often instant, allowing you to buy cryptocurrencies right away. You are now ready to explore the world of digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.